Hey my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Wishing you all a happy festive season and a super safe Diwali with a lot of blessings and prosperity coming across your way in 2021. And today we are going to do this super glamorous makeup, which is an Indo-Western kind of a makeup where I've done glittery black smoky eyes with nude pink lips. It's gonna be super easy. If you think this glamorous makeup will take a lot of your time, a lot of your efforts, you cannot do it, then trust me, you're wrong. You have to watch this video. It's gonna be super simple and you will rock this Diwali. So, what are we waiting for? Further ado, let's get started. This is a clean, moisturized face, but you're not going this Diwali like this. You have to be all dressed up and dolled up. So, first thing first, let's start the makeup and you have to do your eyebrows. Using an angular brush, I'm filling my eyebrows near to natural, and this is an angular brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills and the same company's pomade I'm using to fill it. There's no new thing to this routine. If you want to see, I've already done a video and I'll be sharing the link above. Now the next step will be we'll be using a concealer. I'm using NARS Cosmetic Concealer to clean up the brow area, brow bone. This would just not clean up your brow area, it will also highlight. This is a recommendation. If you're using any dark color eyeshadow, always clean up the brow area so that when you define your eyes, they look magnificent. I am using a flat brush to gently blend in the concealer all over my eyelid. Whenever you use any concealer to clean up the brow area, highlight the brow area, try to find a concealer which is thick in consistency, has a lot of coverage, not liquidy. Once you're done with it, I'm using the same brush to use a powder to set the concealer well in place so that nothing creases. And now I'm using a kajal pencil. Trust me, this pencil is gonna be a game changer to create smoky eyes. If you're a beginner and you find using brushes tough, then easy way to maneuver colors on your eyelid is using a pencil. I'm using the pencil, I'm taking the color and I'm drawing an outline till my crease line, and then I'm just filling it gently. Just a small point to remember when you're using pencil, to be gentle on your eyes. They're very sensitive. Once you're done with the filling, you're almost there, my girls. Yes, you're almost there. Just you have to smoke it out and little bit set it. Setting, I'm using a L'Oreal loose pigment. It's optional because I love two dark black eyes, so I'm using it. If you don't want to, you're good enough. But smoking out is important. You have to use a brush. This is a fluffy brush, a brown eyeshadow, or maybe you can use a brown contour powder on this and then smoke it out. You don't need a black blob sitting on your eyes that make you look like a raccoon, right? I'm using this brown color from NYX Cosmetic palette and just blending this out. So once I'm done and happy with the blending, we'll move on to the next step. So these are your black matte smoky eyes. You can wear as is, but this is Diwali, so I need to get something extra. I'm using NYX Cosmetic loose glitter pigment with a glitter glue. It's again from NYX Cosmetic. So this is the two things you need to make them extra glamorous, bomb-like, glittery. So let me stop it here. I'm using this brush. This is a flat brush. I'm first spreading the glue all over my eyes so that the glitters can hold on to it, of course, right? After you're done with spreading the glue, blending the glue, just use another or maybe the same flat brush and stick the glitter on. You're done with it. Yes, you can cover the whole lid, you can cover 1/3, or you can cover just the innermost corner. Option is yours. I've covered the whole lid because after all, as I said, it's Diwali. Now I'm using the same Maybelline Kajal pencil. I'll use it on the waterline, and then using a smudging brush, I'll smudge the lower waterline Kajal so that everything becomes smoky, well placed in, everything blends in, looks one thing, right? So this is what we've done, and now I'm just highlighting the innermost corner and the brow bone. Of course, you have to look a bomb. Isn't it a Diwali thing? Alright, once we are done with this, you have to curl your eyelashes, wear mascara or false lashes. If you're not a false lash person, you can completely avoid it, wear it with mascara, that's it. So now I'll clean up and move on to the next step. Next step is my face. I'll use two kind of primer. This is set primer, this is a spray kind. This will give an instant glow to my face, and then I'll use ELF putty. This is a poreless putty, so this will ensure no texture is visible on my face. These days my skin is not behaving well, so I'm using two kind of primers to make my skin look flawless. Right after this, I'll use two kind of concealer. One is from NARS Cosmetic exactly my skin color. Second one is from Bare Skin. This is little into peachish tone, so that my under eye area becomes highlighted. I'm just blending it with the beauty sponge. When I'm blending it, I'm taking it little upwards. If you notice, this will instantly give you an eye lift. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Once you're done with this, of course you know the next step. The next step will be my foundation. I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter and I'll buff it in with a brush. This is a full coverage foundation, so ensure that you're wearing a primer underneath. Once I'm happy with the blending, once I'm happy everything is covered, I'll move on to the next step. This is gonna be special occasion makeup, so don't take me otherwise, so I'm doing it a little extra today. I've used a brightening up Bare Skin concealer right on the center of the face. This is the place where the light strikes, so I want to look well lit. That's actually near your nose, your smile lines and the forehead, so just blend it in so that you're so well lit. Once you're done with this, you know the step. Take the beauty sponge, set everything on place, and then we'll move on to the next step. Next step is to take any translucent powder, set everything on place. I'm using Bebe Cosmetic translucent powder. I'm not going to just set into things, I'm actually baking them. I'll let this powder sit for a while and move on to the next steps. Next step is optional. I'm just contouring my nose because I don't know why God didn't give me a beautiful sharp lifted nose. I'm trying to fake this out. This is an optional step. If you have a beautiful nose, which I know you have, you can completely avoid it. And let's move on to the next step. The next step is bronzing up the face. I'm using Maybelline City Bronzer shade 300 to bronze up my face, to do a little bit of contouring on my jawline, and of course the usual areas, my forehead. So this is what you have to do. And then I'm using this Mineralize MAC blush. This is super pigmented. You can see I'm just toning it down. I've used it on my apple of the cheeks. We are almost done. Now just I'm using a powder brush, dust off excess powder off my face. Your face looks a little like matte, powdery. Use a setting powder before it dries up. Use a highlighter. Trust me, you'll rock the whole Diwali party. You'll do dancing, but the highlighter would stay on the place because you've used the technique. And before we end this, we'll use a nude lipstick and we're almost done. Isn't it a gorgeous, simple look? If it is, you know what to do. Give it a like and do subscribe to my channel. Until we meet next, as I always say, keep on practicing makeup. And one more thing, have a blessed, happy Diwali. Until we meet next, just take care and stay safe, guys. Bye bye.